Here's how to accept being single for the rest of your life. First, reframe your independence. Being single isn't about being alone. It's the freedom to do exactly what you want, whenever you want. Second, build a powerhouse support system by giving back to your community. Volunteering is a win-win that creates meaningful connections and fulfillment outside of romance. Third, start dating yourself by chasing your dreams, buying the flowers, and pouring love into your own cup. The most important relationship you'll ever have is with yourself. Finally, if you don't want to be single forever, stay open to new people without a scarcity mindset. Remember, there are many potential partners out there, but by loving yourself first, you ensure your happiness never depends on someone else. If a date feels right, go for it, but always know that you are already whole on your own.